Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to move files or folder in Google Drive. Let's get to it. The first thing you should do is open your Google Drive app on your phone. And then if you want to move your file, you have to choose the file that you want to move. And I'm going to move file from this photos folder to this camera folder. So what I'm going to do is just clicking on the photos folder right like this and choose the photo that we want to move, and I'll go with this photo. And if we want to move this photo, we have to click on this three dots button. And then there will be several options for us, and choose move option right here. And then we have to choose the destination folder. And this is my destination folder. I'm going to move this photo to the camera folder. Just click on it, and then click on move. And click move again. And alright, now the file has been moved from photos folder to camera folder. And if we want to move folder, we can simply click on the folder like this. Click on the three dots button, and then repeat the steps that I told you before. Click move right here and choose the destination folder, and I'm going to move this camera folder to this photos folder. So I'm going to click on photos folder and just click on move and click this one. Alright, and now the folder has been moved right here. Okay guys, that's how we can move files or folder in Google Drive. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. See you.